What's up, you guys? Today we are going to make a business vlog-ish. Well, we are going to do a car wash of my car and a friend's car, but the purpose of the wash is not to be, well, not to have it clean, because we are going to have a video, make a video for my business to show people what I'm doing when I wash a car, and the sun is really bright. That's like first time of the year, so that's awesome. So we are going to make a video of how I wash the car, so my customers can have a feeling of why I have the price that I have, and well, so on. So follow, and well, I can also show you guys how I wash my car and within my company. So first of all, the car is dirty as heck. So we're going to start with organic dirt remover. That's why in Swedish it's alkaliskt. I actually have no clue what the right word in English is, but organic dirt removal is step one. I like to start from the rear end of the car. I don't know why, but it's always getting dirtiest, so that's why I like to start from the back. So we're going to soak the whole car in organic dirt removal. Well, now when the whole car is soaked with organic dirt removal, we are going to rinse it off, and it's very hard to have a camera in my left hand and rinse it at the same time, so we're going to do some YouTube magic. Well, on this wheel we are also going to do some well, surface rust removal, because I had a problem with this brake, and as you can see, it's very, how can I say it, burnt in stuff on the rim. So this one we are going to be needing to have some well, the new stuff I'm trying, so let that sink in a little bit, and then we're going to go with this one. So we can take the first, well, the first rim, the front rim first. Well, as you can see, this rim is destroyed with brake dust particles. So we're going to try to do our best to remove it. It's very hard to do it at once, but we will make it a lot better, I hope. It usually works. It usually works. This is extremely hard to get rid of, but well, it's an improvement for step one. Well, one step. So hopefully maybe 3 times we can get it, but it's a job for the summer, because now we gotta make the car clean. So, well, first of all, thank you for my cameraman Adam, and you've probably seen him before in the videos. So now we have, well, it's not Valid Procedures this time, it's from this company, and actually I'm pretty pleased with this one. It's kallavfattning in Swedish, but well, according we are doing this in English, it's removing, or not organic, petroleum-based dirt, so like tar. Yeah, everything that comes from petroleum-based dirt, it's going to be removed.
If anyone can remember when we was painting the rust, I was peeling off this one, but Rasmus hadn't noticed this. It's still there. What do you think about it?
Yeah, I forgot. The last step is hand wash, and we are going to use, yeah, show them, the Guillaume Bath Plus, and I'm super pleased with this one. I love it. Well, that is one car wash from my company, and you gotta pay like I think it's around 40 bucks in US dollar and 350 in Swedish. So that's one car wash from RDCC Detailing, and well, it's clean, it's white. Unfortunately, we do have a huge problem with that rim, because I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but we have tons and tons of brake dust particles, because I actually had metal against metal on the I had no brake pads, so all this area is covered in well, brake dust particles, or well, metal particles. So we are going to take care of that another time. But now we're going to do the same wash with my friend's car. Well, you are painting the car black again.
Yeah.
Because well, it's white of salt. Well, look at it. It's white of salt. It's not a black car, it's more grey. Well, it's not black, you can't say that. Can you make it summer?
No.
Why? I'm so freaking tired of being cold, and everything is dirty and cold.
I can feel my fingers.
You have a black car again.
I got it.
Got a nice footage.
Yeah.
So, well, show us. Show us the before and pic.
Before, after.
Well, we do have the white snowball and the black warship.
Something like that.
Well, if you like the video, well, consider to subscribe to the channel, because we are going to do a lot more of the detailing stuff and car washes and so on and so on. And we have, hopefully, fingers crossed, a car meet season this year. Well, Corona is messing everything up, but hopefully we will have a car season, and yeah, we will be doing a lot of footage, I hope. But well, the government has the last word, as usual. But well, consider to subscribe if you like the content, and we see you guys in the next one.